Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today I did get out and do a little grocery shopping, and I did go by Bill's Outlet to pick up a few things. So I'll be sharing that in the video with you. So while I was at Bill's Outlet, I did pick up a few seasonings and a can of peanuts. And all these seasonings were $3.99, and I came across some Parmesan oil. Now I've never used that before, but that was $8.99. So I'm just going to try these seasonings out. Right, so now I'm just going to put up these groceries before I start to cook my dinner. And here is my dinner: my baked potato, my fried steak, and my green beans. So now I am going to clean my kitchen, but first I do have some leftovers, so I'm just going to put those away before I start to clean. Now I always pour a little bleach in the frying pan that had the grease in it, and I'll let that sit in there for a few minutes while I wash the other dishes.
Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
Okay, y'all, I do apologize, but this is the next day. Y'all, I was so tired after I had cleaned my kitchen and I was already full from eating. But I'm just going to give my dining area and my living room a quick vacuum, and I will be changing some things out on my dining table, and I'm going to show you what I purchased from Bills. It's some home decor. It's not a lot. For my table setting, it's pretty much going to be the same. I'm using the same placemats that I had on there, and I'm going to change out the dinner napkins. I'm going to take the gray ones off and swap them out for the white ones. And from Bills, I did pick up this pot. It was on clearance. They marked it down to 33. I think it was 33 something, but it's a really nice pot. The original price was, I think it was $49.99, and I got it on clearance for 33. And this is a vase that I picked up. This was only $9.99. Now I did pair it with another vase, and you'll see that in a few seconds because I think they look really good together. And this is the last thing that I got from Bills, and that is this vase. It was $12.99. And I like the way the two vases look together, so I am going to pair those two together.